Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get bytes in Astroneer. This is going to be useful for unlocking locked recipes so you can craft the other items. So to begin, first of all, you'll need to have a research chamber and in which you can place any resource that you find underground or that you refine. And as you can see, when you unlock it, when you open the research chamber, here on this under this red tab, you'll need to begin the researching by clicking this green button. And here it is going to show you how many bytes it is going to give you and how fast it is going to be giving it to you. Now the second option is going to be by going around the map and finding these research samples, on which you don't need to have the research chamber. You just go to it and hold F on it, and it is going to give you some bytes when you scan them. These can be found inside of caves and on the surface of every planet. And another option is to find these research items that can be found also inside of caves and on the surface of every planet. And you can just pick them up like this, or have a more big rover to attach it to. And once you bring it back to your base, you can also go ahead and put it inside of the research chamber. And as you can see, this is going to give me 565 bytes. And as you can see in the first section down here, you can see the line is much further down than this other line. And this means that in the first minutes, it is going to give us this amount of bytes per minute. But once it crosses this line right here, it is going to give us more. And up here at the top, you can see the full time it is going to take. So this is pretty much all. How to get bytes in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.